Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all is fine. You are safe and sound at home. Welcome to my lecture 5 for English class 2. Naushin Mirza here, your English teacher from Divisional Public School, Model Town, Lahore. Instructions for the students are: sit attentively, keep your stationery beside you like pencils, erasers, sharpeners, and grab your grammar and usage book. The objectives of today's lecture are: the students will learn the concept of much, the students will learn the concept of many, and students will learn to write much and many in the sentences. So the contents of today's lecture are: concept of much, concept of many, and we'll do exercise 4 of grammar and usage book, page number 13 and 14. Okay. I'll give you more examples to clarify the concept of much, many. Can you count the following? 1 flower, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we can count them. So they are countable things. They are countable nouns. हम इनको गिन सकते हैं. Now look at these. 1 pencil, 2 pencil, 3 pencil, 4 pencil. Can you count them? Yes, they are also countable things. They are countable nouns. हम इनको गिन सकते हैं. So, we use many with the things that we can count. Hope it's clear. Can you count the following? Milk, honey, sugar. No, we cannot count them. So, we use much with the things that we cannot count. Let's recap the lecture before doing exercise on grammar and usage book. We learned the use of much or many. There are many plants, as you can see. हम पौधों को गिन सकते हैं. They are countable. We can count them in numbers. So, we will say there are many plants. Whereas there is much sand. We cannot count sand. So, much will come with sand. That is uncountable noun. Okay, hope it's clear now. Dear students, let's go through the concept of much. Much is used with uncountable nouns, the nouns that we cannot count, like sand, butter, water, etc. For example, I had so much fun with my friends. The concept of many is used with countable nouns, the nouns that we can count like friends, plants, mats, cups, chairs, etc. For example, I spent many days there. Let's focus more to clarify the concept. Much comes with uncountable nouns. Example is milk. We cannot count milk in number. Moreover, many comes with countable nouns that we can count in numbers. How many hands are there? There are many hands. While counting, there are 6 hands. Hope it's clear now. So, much means a lot of. There is much water. So, it is uncountable. I'll give you example of much here. I have much food. As we can see, there is much food on the table to eat. So the boy has much food to eat. Right? Furthermore, many used with countable nouns. For example, I have many friends. We can count our friends in numbers. I have many toys. We can count the number of toys as well. Okay? Let's do exercise 4, page 13 on grammar and usage book. Let me read the question for you. Fill in the blanks with much or many. The first sentence is, there are dash bees near the hive. What comes here? Many bees. There are many bees near the hive. Next sentence is, there isn't dash butter left. What comes here? Much. There isn't much butter left. Next sentence is, an elephant needs dash food. What comes here? Much. An elephant needs much food. Next sentence is, I have dash friends. I have many friends. Next sentence is, my neighbor has dash potted plants. What comes here? Many, as potted plants are countable. Okay. Next is, I do not drink dash milk. What comes here? Much, as milk is an uncountable noun, so I do not drink much milk. Next sentence is, some people do not eat dash meat. Here comes much. Some people do not eat much meat. Next is, the teacher has dash box to mark. What comes here? Many, as books are countable noun, so many will come with the specific noun. The teacher has many books to mark. Next is, There is dash litter on the floor. There is much litter on the floor. Next is there are dash fish in the pond. What comes here? Many. There are many fish in the pond. So the home task is learn and write the pages 13 and 14 of grammar and usage book in your notebooks. I hope you understand the concept of much and many, and you will learn and write it in your notebooks as well. If you have any queries, any questions regarding this lecture, do inbox me or comment below in the comment box. I'm here to help you. I'm here to guide you. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.